Open and remove the door trim panel. Unscrew the 2 screws on one side of the door, unplug the plug, and remove the original lock assembly. Unscrew the 4 screws of the original lock assembly. Separate the cover and control unit from the original body. Save the cross, cover, and control unit. Install the dual tune on the door lock control unit. The erection columns are aligned with the pad holes. Fix the upgraded lock assembly on the door. Pay attention to the angle of the cable and keep small. Tighten the 2 screws of the side of the door. The 3M glue is disposable. Paste the base after confirming the position and pull wireless to avoid the glass lifter. Plug the power into the auxiliary device. When wiring, pay attention to the same wiring harness. Clamp the wire harness buckle and clear the positive and negative poles when wiring. Red represents positive. After installation, do the door closing test. If there is no problem, then install the door trim panel.